I don't normally blow up my bicycle tyre when the bicycle is still in the vehicle, but I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. And I haven't got a lot of room here also to get my bicycle out. I've just got this Cyplus pump. It's absolutely brilliant. I've just blown up one tyre from my bicycle, from the other side of the bicycle. My motorhome tyres I've blown up, and now I'm going to do the final bicycle tyre. So to give a quick demonstration, a fantastic bit of kit here. You can charge it using USB-C there, and it charged quite quickly, although it is a C to a C, it says, and I think it has to be a reasonably strong current to actually get the thing to start charging. Also comes with the light, which is around here. Let's turn the thing on, and there we go. So that's for vehicle. So I'll take this round. Oops, sorry, I don't need to put that up like that. And vehicle. Here we've got balloons. Don't use that very often. Here we've got a bicycle tire. So what I'll now do is I'll blow this up. You can see it's completely flat, although that probably happened when I was putting this on. So that's the cause of that. And let's see if I want to change this. Oh, can you see that? Probably not. There we go. I can put it up further if I want. So I'll put this up to 5.4. I'm not going out on it. Anyway, I normally put the bicycle tires, depends on what I'm doing, 5.5, 6, depends what I'm doing. So let's now just press this. And right, so now I'll turn it off. Oh, is it a long press or a short press? It's a short press. And then unattach from there. I think it's, so far, my first day of using it, it really is good. Anyone's interested, I'll leave a link. I do need to point out, if you do buy it from this, there isn't any discount code or anything from me. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.